Two individuals presumed dead after a brazen robbery in Porus, Manchester. Four individuals taken into custody soon after. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Swift action by the Manchester police led to the arrest of 4 men, the seizure of an AK-47 rifle, a 9mm pistol and a revolver, as well as a ballistic vest, following a double murder and a robbery in Porus, Manchester earlier in the evening. The 4 men were intercepted in a getaway vehicle after a strategic motor vehicle interception point was set up in Williamsfield, Manchester. The 4 robbery suspects were taken into custody by the police, and 2 individuals are presumed to be deceased after gunmen opened fire during a robbery in Porus, Manchester on Friday evening. Preliminary reports are that at about 7 p.m., 4 armed robbers held up a supermarket said to be operated by a Chinese national. It is unclear what took place after, but it is stated that they stole an undetermined sum of cash and then opened fire before fleeing the scene. Head of the Manchester Police Superintendent Shane McCullough said that a roadblock was immediately set up to apprehend the hoodlums at Williamsfield. They carried out a robbery at the supermarket, and on their way out, they started to fire randomly and 2 people were shot. Based on the police quickly responded and placed a roadblock to intercept the individuals. The police suspect that the gunman may be linked to a robbery earlier on Friday, which took place in Christiana, Manchester at the Cool Oasis gas station. These latest incident follows armed robberies in Cross Keys and Knockpatrick, both in Manchester, on Tuesday and Wednesday respectively. On Thursday, 2 suspects were held in relation to those incidents. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. And if it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.